Catalytic converter fix, save $2,500 with a simple trick. How to fix your converter, save thousands instantly. Catalytic converter hack, beat the system and save big. Secret solvent trick, clear your converter cheaply. No more check engine light, the DIY converter solution. This guide reveals a cost-effective solution for clearing clogged catalytic converters using a $3 solvent rather than replacing them through dealerships, often quoted at $2,500. The catalytic converter contains rare metals such as platinum and palladium, which are often extracted by dealerships for profit. The solvent, identified as pure lacquer thinner, is composed of aromatic hydrocarbons like toluene and xylene, historically used to solve early catalytic converter blockages. When added to your gas tank, it vaporizes at high heat, clearing the carbon deposits that cause clogs, revitalizing the converter's function, and eliminating the check engine light. For effective results, drive at high speed to generate heat, allowing the solvent to work. This method can save significant amounts by avoiding the excessive costs of new converters, challenging the lucrative automotive replacement industry.